Let's talk about the numpys in Python. So, what are numpys? Numpy stand for numerical Python, which is a Python package for the computation and processing of multi-dimensional and single-dimensional array elements. Basically, the numpys are used for working with arrays. Let's open the Jupyter notebook over here. Okay, in Jupyter notebook, let's open. Let's take one list over here. List, and let's take the list element over here. I will take the list element 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the list elements. Okay, press Shift plus Enter over here. Now I will import the NumPy package. Import NumPy as NP. Okay, now press the Shift plus Enter over here. Now create one variable NP array I am creating and initialize it to NP dot array, and I will pass the list inside it, list one, and press the Shift plus Enter over here. And if I print the NP array over here, as you can see, I have successfully created the one-dimensional array. Similarly, I can also the access element of the array. The first element are stored in index 0 and the second element in index 1 and so on. Let's print the first element over here, NP array, and I will 0. As you can see, I am getting the 1 over here. And if I want to print the second element, similarly, I can do like this np dot np array. And if I pass the 2 over there, I will get the 3. Okay. Similarly, I can also check the memory address of the array. For that, I need to type np array dot data. As you can see, I have the memory address of the above elements are this. Okay. Okay. Now, if I want to know the shape of the array, I can write like this np dot array. And if I pass the np array shape, I will check. As you can see, it is a one-dimensional array with 5 elements. Okay. Similarly, I can also create the list of list I am creating. Okay. I am creating the list of list. Let's take some element over here. Now press the Shift plus Enter over here. As you can see, I have successfully created the list of list. I can also convert this list to array. For that, I need to take one variable. Let's take one variable over here, np array2, and I am converting this list to array, np dot array, and I will pass the list over here, list 2. Okay. Now if I print this, as you can see, I have successfully created the two-dimensional array in the form of rows and columns. As you can see, the elements are stored in the form of rows and columns. And if I want to access the element which is 9, it is located in second row, and the row start from 0, 1, 2, and second column 0, 1, 2. I will write np array 2 and 2, 2. As you can see, I am getting 9 over there. Similarly, I can also check the shape. np array 2 dot shape. If I press the shift plus enter over here, you can see I am getting the two-dimensional array of 4 rows and 3 columns. Okay, if you want the more videos like this, you need to subscribe my channel. Okay, okay, you need to subscribe the channel. Let's create one range function over here, range, and if I pass the element over here in range 1, 10, and 3. Okay, if I print the value of r over here, simply I am calling the function over here. It is not printing the element. For printing the element, I need to pass one loop over here. Let's pass one loop for x in r. Okay, okay, there is some error over here. And print the value of x over here. Print x. Okay, there is need to semicolon. Okay. Okay, you can see I have successfully printed the value from 1 to 10 and the step is 2. Okay, it will take the step of 2. First it will print the 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. Similarly, there is one more method. If I use, let's take one variable over here, arr, arr, okay, and if I want to create array, I can also create the array like this, array are equal to np dot arrange, and I will pass number 1 comma 10. Okay, if I print the value over here, arr, you can successfully created the one-dimensional array using the function name arrange. Okay, I can also reshape this array, convert the one-dimensional to two-dimensional array. For that, I need to write array dot reshape, and as you can see, there is a 9 element over here. I need to arrange this element in the form of 3 rows and 3 columns, 3 comma 3. Okay, as you can see, I have successfully converted this one-dimensional to two-dimensional array. Okay. Similarly, I am having one more function which is ones. With that, I can also create the array of ones, and pass the 10 over here. As you can see, I have successfully created the one-dimensional with 1. Okay. I can also specify the type of data type. Okay. np dot ones and pass 10, and d type I am passing over here is int. Okay. Now I will press the shift plus enter over here. As you can see, okay, once over here, I have successfully created the one-dimensional variable once. Okay. Similarly, I am having one more function to create the identity matrix. Okay. For creating the identity matrix, I will use one function over here, np dot I, and pass the 5 over here and press the shift plus enter over here. As you can see, I have successfully created the identity matrix of 5 of 5 rows and 5 columns. Similarly, I can also pass the data type over here. D type is equal to int. Okay. There is one more function with the help of which I can also create the random array. Okay. np dot random dot rand, and if I pass the 2 comma 3, it will create the random array with 2 rows and 3 columns ranging from 0 to 1. Okay, let's print it. As you can see, it has successfully created the two-dimensional array with 2 rows and 3 columns with randoms number ranging from 0 to 1. Okay, I am also having one more random function, which is np dot random dot rand n, and pass the 2 comma 3. Okay, it is creating the random array. Okay, ranging from -1 to -4. Okay, similarly, I can also create the one-dimensional array, and ARN mention over here np dot random dot rand n, and pass the 10 over here. You can see if I print over here, you can see I successfully created the elements, 10 elements with random numbers. Okay. Similarly, I can also calculate the find the maximum element of the array by using the max function over here, and our max, as you can see, this is the maximum number, and also print the minimum number dot minimum, and press the shift plus enter over here. As you can see, I have successfully printed the minimum number. Okay, this is my code. Okay, now let's create one another variable over here, arr1, and I will create one array np dot arrange, and 0 to 10. And if I print the value of arr1, as you can see, I have successfully created the one-dimensional array. So if I want to slice through the array, I want to print the array ranging from first index to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 index is exclusive over here. Okay, let's talk about it. ARR1, if I slice through it 1 to 5, it will print the element from first index to up to the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will print the element 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth number is exclusive. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, if I print the element from starting to index number 5, okay, I can do like this, ARR of, no need to specify the start index. You only need to mention the colon over here. And if I mention the 6 over here, it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and print the element up to the 5 over here, as you can see. Okay. What happen if I pass the element which are out of bound? Okay. Let's mention over here. As you can see, the 12th, the 11th index is not in our array. It is out of bound. If I try to print, still we will get the output. It will print up to the last element. Okay. So we can also broadcast some element. Okay, let's broadcast some elements. If I am broadcasting 71. Okay, let's enter the 71 over here. And if I print the value of ARR1, you can see I have successfully broadcasting 71 from 1 to 5, and 5 is exclusive. Okay. Similarly, I can also copy the element of one array to another element over here. Suppose I want to copy the element of array1 to a variable name array1. If I pass the range from 1 to 5 over here, and if I print the variable ARR of 2, as you can see, I am getting 71, 71, 71, and 71 over here. Okay. Or I can also copy the whole array. For example, let's do ARR2 and copy the element using the copy function dot copy. And if I print the shift plus enter over here, as you can see, I am getting the element by copying the first array inside the second variable. Now let's create one two-dimensional array. One arrow over here. Okay. I need to mention the two packets over here. Okay. This is two-dimensional array. Let's print the value of two-dimensional array over here. As you can see, I have successfully created the two-dimensional array with 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay. For more videos, subscribe my channel. So if I pass the over here ARR 3 of 1. Okay. If I print it over here, as you can see, I am successfully printing the first row over here. Okay. By single subscript, I am accessing the first row. Okay. Suppose I want to access fourth element. Okay, 926. Okay, how can we access? Right down here. Let's slice through the array. Here are three, and I am slicing over here. Colon. This is first one for row. From every row, I am selecting the element at 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3 column. Okay, 2, 3 column is second column, and 3 is the range, and it will select only this. Okay, it will goes towards only this 2 and 3. Okay, first one is for row and second one is for column. Okay, if I print over here, as you can see, I have successfully slicing through the index. Okay, if I want to access the element 2162, so how can I do? I can write over here, slicing through the array. Here are three, and we'll write one column. Okay, and we'll write two column. Okay, let's the shift plus enter over here. As you can see, I am successfully accessing the 6216 and 2. Okay, this way I can slice through the array. This is very easy, but we need to understand how it is working. Okay, as you can see over here, I have mentioned the first row. It will select from here. It will select from here, first row, and the two columns onward. To second column, this one. 2162. This is easy, not that much difficult. It can be done with the help of practice. Okay. If you want the more videos like it, kindly subscribe the channel and like the video.